In one of my previous videos, I have explained that in Excel, a formula starts with an equal sign. If you have not watched that video, I would request you to go and watch it. I will place the link of that video in the description of this video. In this video, I'll discuss a neat trick related to the equal sign. I have this column and I want to copy it alongside. If I copy it and just paste it, all the formulae go haywire. This formula was linked to these two cells, but when I copied the formula, because the references were relative, they moved and now it's linking to these cells. I want to keep my formula intact, so let me show you a neat trick. I will select this column. I'll press F5 and special, go to formulas and select all the formula cells in this selection. And then I'll replace equal sign with a different character. For example, a vertical bar. When the equal sign is replaced in the formulas, they become text, plain text. And we have the formula string, but the formula is not calculating. And then we can copy the column and then we can select it, and on the entire column we can just replace the vertical bar with an equal sign and replace them all. So now both the formulas are pointing to the correct cells. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.